How to add video on Google Sites website. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a video on Google Sites website. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Google site. After you're here, open up the project that you're working on. I'm currently on the free template available on Sites Google. So if I scroll down, I'll just need to find a space here first. After you find a space where you want to add your video, tap on it. And on this right hand side, you will see Insert section. You will need to choose the Drive option. After you choose the Drive option, you will see all the list of available photos and videos on your drive. So all you have to do is select a video on your drive. So let's select a video. You can upload a video as well. So uploading a video is a lot easy as well. So simply open up your drive and head over to the file location where you want to add a video. Just go here and drop and simply drag and drop a video here. After you do that, you can come back here, choose the video you want to insert, then tap on insert. After you do that, you can then place it and resize it and everything. And after you've done that, you can basically play the video as well. And that's how you can add a video on your Google Sites. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.